I think China is accumulating this gold, or let's put it, earmarking this gold for another purpose. And that other purpose that I've gone on and talked about before, and I actually I did like a paper on it, semi-academic paper on it, saying that I think China is doing the next step for the BRICS. The BRICS are saying, we're not just de-dollarizing, we're going to use the gold to finance projects. So there's something called a repo market. And the repo market basically is, I can take an asset like to a pawn shop, and it's almost always treasuries, and you repo it or you repurchase it. So basically a sale repurchase. And you give it to your creditor, he holds it as collateral, and he gives you a loan in cash, and then you build your bridge, or you build your factory, or you use the money to do something. You can't do that with gold. Gold's a store of value, but it is still a pet rock. You can't use it as collateral to finance. The global markets won't take it. China's in the process of setting that up, I believe. And someone else who I value his opinion, Eric Young, King Kong, he believes it as well for different reasons. And we've had a meeting of minds on this. And the reason I think this is significant is because the buying ramping up to the summit with Xi and Trump, it didn't resolve anything. Things are worse. And China has accumulated even more gold in their vault or in their warrants. And so I would say to you that we could have an announcement within the next 6 to 9 months where China starts to take gold as collateral from other countries and use it as a financing tool, which would put us on a slope of, I'm not kidding you, $10,000. I'm not predicting that, but it would, because you're going to be printing money to guarantee gold and you're going to be spending it. It's insane, but I think that's a path we're on. Whether we get to that price or not, I don't know. But the path is treasuries now have a new competitor, and that's gold. And this has been going on for years since you and I started doing this. And it's been getting, do this, they did that. China says, we're going to do this. 6 months later, they do it. They say it, they do it. And now they're like, we're buying the gold to use it, not just to sit in a vault. And I think they're doing it. That's why they have all these vaults they're setting up.